In this episode of Sailing Nandji, we explore Tokyo Bay and its World War II history. We boat convoy with friends through the Mboli Passage and sail to the northern area of the Florida Islands to find some waves. Life is better with friends. We were lucky to meet the vessels Pebble and Fara, spending a night rafted up together in Tokyo Bay. A 360-degree protected mangrove anchorage, complete with its own Japanese destroyer and crocodiles.
Too close.
Yeah, it's just called a mangrove.
Come on! Come on! The remains of the Japanese destroyer Kikuzuko lie in the corner of Tokyo Bay. During World War II, this vessel was torpedoed by American forces during the invasion of Tulagi. The US Navy then salvaged the remains and towed Kikuzuko into Tokyo Bay, hoping to obtain military intelligence.
There's the bow. An old gun port. Dagga, 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 dagga.
Think we can go in there?
I reckon. Oh, maybe not.
After spotting a crocodile on the way into Tokyo Bay, we went exploring in the mangroves, trying to spot another. We slowly and nervously made our way up skinny creeks between the trees, hoping but also not hoping to spy a croc. What's that saying? Curiosity killed the cat. Unsuccessful in our croc hunting, we headed back to Nandji and prepared for our convoy through the Mboli Passage.
Fara, copy 2, can you guys hear me?
Loud and clear.
I know.
So we're going out, we're going to do a little convoy up the channel. It's all uncharted of course, but lucky we got old Bill with the technology over here, so he's going to lead the way.
He's got satellite images.
We got satellite images, but he's got radar scan and he's got the forward sonar, so yeah, we'll follow him I think.
Bill draws the most, hey?
Yeah, he draws the most, so if he makes it through then we're going to be alright.
The Mboli Passage divides the two main islands of the Florida group, Ngela Sul and Ngela Pal. The 9 nautical mile passage weaves through the thick jungle and is only 50 metres wide at one point.
We're just banging up the passage. We've dropped our sails because it gets quite skinny in here. No sign of Bill in the motorboat. He has disappeared.
He's a bit quick.
He's very quick compared to us. So. Yeah, it's going to get quite skinny. We don't want to get blown over at all. We want to have full control of the boat as this passage gets skinnier. There's lots of little villages and huts around and local people in canoes. So yeah, I'm very excited for what this little channel has to offer.
How cool is that? How's the extension, a little hangout area? Sick.
Solomon architecture.
Arriving on the north coast, we anchored in front of the small village of Ceuta. With a lovely white beach out the front, it was time for Marley to kill some coconuts and play away from any crocodiles.
Welcome back, he says. Did you find this? So Uncle just paddled his little nephew out. He's a young fella, he's about 7 and he goes to school in Honiara, but he brought out this little shell. Nice looking cowrie looking thing. And he reckons he found it himself on the bottom of the ocean, but I reckon it's been shined and polished up a bit.
It's pretty clean.
Yeah, well, we just made a trade. We gave him a school book for the shell.
He was pretty happy,
He was stoked. He was like paddling away like. But yeah, it's good. He needs school books, so it's important. Benita is a lucky lady. Lucky I love her, because I hate these things. They stink and they're bad luck on a boat. Lucky lady, Benita.
I think I caught something on New Year's from... Just a little bit sick at the moment, so...
Go to bed.
I don't want to go to bed. I don't want to stop. I just want to keep having fun.
Eat your bananas and go to bloody bed.
No!
This is the sailing life that we signed up for. Finally enjoying ourselves out of the city. 10 knots easterly. Benita's sick as a dog. Aww. Talk to us, say hello. 10 knots, downwind, just cruising at 4. Beautiful.
But I cannot make poetry out of feelings like you do.
Leaving Ceuta, we set course northwest up the coast with Fara, heading towards Buena Vista Island, one of the most northern islands of the Florida group. Running out of wind, we made an unplanned stop-off in an open sandy bay.
There's a bit of a shore break though, so I don't think they see too many yachts here. This is a bit of a last minute anchorage, just cruising along the coast. We just thought we'd stop off in here. And we are getting swarmed, well they are anyway. We're all sweet over here, but they're the first boat in line, so I count 10 canoes so far. Thank you, Bradford. So Bradford and William, they're the chief's sons. They come out yesterday afternoon to welcome us to their little bay, and they've come back this morning to do a little bit of trading. They brought us a couple of little coconuts and couple of little pineapples. Yeah.
What did you trade with them?
I traded some fishing gear, so I gave them a couple of fish hooks.
They're happy?
Yeah, they're stoked. They wanted to gift it to us. We were
Aww.
like, no, man. Yeah, I'll give you some fish hooks. Like, yeah. So this is a very friendly little bay.
Yeah, yeah. Bradford's really nice, hey?
Yeah, he's really nice. Lad. He speaks good English, but he's very shy.
Yeah.
It's classic.
Yeah.
We're about 5 miles off land. What are you doing out here, mate?
You're meant to be a hound dog, Marley. You got food right in front of you and you can't smell it?
You are the laziest dog ever.
Who's that? Who's that? Oh, Marley.
You silly bugger. Continuing our trip up the coast to Buena Vista Island, we had read about a Solomon man named Clement Kohler who created a small lodge and restaurant who welcomed yachties to anchor out the front of his small village. Unfortunately, he had passed away 2 years previous and the lodge was no more, but his remaining family were very friendly and the anchorage was stunning. Oh!
Like small smiles shared by lovers. I miss the simple things. Our love was never made. It was simply discovered.
That was a sick one!
They're not very often common.
No, that's alright. I'll sit here and wait. Did really good. He's on the land, yeah. That set that come through, that was a bomb. Good boy, come here. Keep coming. Keep charging, buddy. Nearly there. Good boy.
I remember
Up here, buddy.
when my skin was warm.
Sit here and watch your mum.
Now alone it grows cold. Don't forget what you had.
Very shallow.
Well done.
I don't feel well.
You did good. As Benita was still trying to shake the flu and got worn out fast, it was my turn to go frolic in the small waves. They weren't big, but it was great to feel the surfboard under our feet again. We're trying something new today. Toe-in supping. See if the diva's got it. See if she's got the power. See if we can't whip her into a bomb.
Ready?
All right. Too deep, I think. Unfortunately, the bombs never came and our poor little outboard, La Diva, did not have the power. So Benita got towed back to Nandji for breakfast instead.
Today we have fresh pineapple and coconut for breakfast.
Coming up next on Sailing Nandji, find out how a German man, a French man and a beautiful Mexican lady sailed across the Pacific in a 30-foot yacht, ending up rafted next to us.
Our videos are only made possible because of our patrons, the Sailing Nandji family. Become a patron to help keep us frothing and get Nandji further around the world. Thanks, legends.